Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video for your English vocab listening practice. In today's story, we are going to hear a very natural conversation at a busy airport in the heart of London. Two friends, Anna and David, are finishing their wonderful trip and they are about to face a very unexpected problem. You will hear them talk with the airport staff, try to solve the difficult situation, and even spend a night at the airport together. The English used here is simple, slow, and very friendly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. I have a little question for you to think about. Why was Anna and David's flight officially canceled? If you find the answer, please share it in the comments below. Writing your answer in English is a wonderful way to practice and improve your skills every day. All right, let's get the story started. Are you ready to listen? Great, let's begin.
Wow, Anna, I can't believe our London holiday is already over.
I know, David. The week went by so fast, didn't it?
It really did, but honestly, I am so tired right now.
Me too. It was a wonderful trip, but I just want to sleep in my own bed.
Did you buy a lot of gifts for your family?
Yes, I did. Maybe I bought too many things. My bag feels very heavy.
I have the same problem. My suitcase is completely full.
I'm a little worried. I think my bag might be over the weight limit.
Don't worry, Anna. I'm sure everything will be just fine.
I hope so. Come on, let's find the check-in counter.
Look, the check-in counter is right over there.
Good. Our flight leaves in 3 hours, so we have plenty of time.
That's true. It is better to check in early so we can relax.
Exactly. Maybe we can find some nice English tea after this.
That sounds like a lovely plan. Let's go.
Hello there. May I see your passports and tickets, please?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking any luggage today?
Yes, I have this one large suitcase.
Okay, please place it on the scale for me.
Sure thing. I hope it's okay.
Oh, I am so sorry. Your bag is over the weight limit.
Oh no, really? How much is it?
It is 28 kilograms, but the limit is only 23 kilograms. It is 5 kilograms over.
That is quite a lot. What can I do?
You have two choices. You can pay an extra fee or you can take some items out.
How much is the extra fee for the bag?
The fee is $80 for the extra weight.
Wow, $80? That is very expensive.
Maybe you should take some things out of the bag, Anna.
You're right. I'll use that table over there to unpack a little.
Of course. Please take your time.
Okay, I am finished. I took out a few heavy books and some souvenirs.
Great. Let's weigh it one more time. Good news! It is exactly 22.5 kilograms now. That is perfect.
What a relief. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12.
Thank you. Now let's go through security.
Hello. Please put your bags and small items in the gray tray.
Okay, I'm ready. Do I need to take anything out?
Yes, please. Take out your laptop and any liquids.
I'll put my computer here. Should I take off my coat too?
Yes, please. Your jacket and shoes need to go in the tray as well. Excuse me, ma'am. Could you please step over here for a moment?
Oh, is there a problem with my bag?
We found a liquid item inside. Is this your water bottle?
Oh, yes, it is. I am so sorry. I completely forgot it was in there.
I understand, but you cannot bring bottles over 100 ml through security.
I see. Does that mean I have to throw it away?
You can either throw it away or empty the water out right now.
I'll empty it. I really like this bottle. Where can I go?
There is a sink right over there in the corner.
Thank you. I will be very quick.
No problem. You are all set now. Please collect your belongings.
Finally. That took a little longer than I thought.
I am so sorry, David. They stopped me because of my water bottle.
Don't worry about it. That happens to many people at the airport.
I know, but first my bag was too heavy, and then the bottle. Today is a bit difficult.
It's okay. Those are just small things. Let's sit down and relax.
You are right. I just hope the rest of the day is easy.
Don't worry. The hard part is finished. We just have to wait for our flight now.
Yes, let's just sit here at the gate and rest.
I'm going to check the time. It's 2:45, so we have 45 minutes until boarding.
Good. I might close my eyes for a few minutes.
Wait, Anna, wake up. Did you hear that voice on the speaker?
No, I didn't. What did the announcement say?
I'm not entirely sure. They spoke very quickly, and it was hard to understand.
Don't worry, David. If it is something important, they will surely say it again.
Actually, look at the big screen over there. Do you see our flight number?
Let me see. Oh no, it says our flight is delayed.
Oh, you are right. It says delayed in red letters.
Do you know why? Does the screen give any more information?
Yes, look. It says it is because of the weather. There is heavy snow at our destination.
Snow? Oh dear. I wonder how long we will have to wait here.
It doesn't say a time yet. We just have to wait for more news.
This is not good. I really want to be home in my own bed tonight.
I know, Anna. Me too. But we can't change the weather.
I suppose you're right. I hope the delay is only 1 or 2 hours.
Let's go get some coffee while we wait. It might make us feel better.
That sounds like a lovely idea. Wait, David, look at the screen again.
Why? What is wrong now?
The status changed again. It doesn't say delayed anymore.
Oh no. It says canceled. The flight is completely canceled.
Canceled? Does that mean we cannot fly home today at all?
I'm afraid so. The snow must be very bad.
This is terrible. What are we going to do now?
We need to speak with the airline staff. They can help us find a new flight.
But David, look at that line. So many people are already waiting.
I know. It looks like it will take a long time, but we have no choice.
Do you think we can fly home tomorrow morning instead?
I hope so, but I'm not sure. If the snow continues, more flights might be canceled.
Oh no. Does that mean we might be stuck in London for a few days?
Let's not worry about that yet. Let's just stay in this line and see what they say.
Okay, but I'm really worried. I didn't pack any extra clothes for another day.
Me neither, but let's stay calm. We will figure this out together.
You're right. Thank you for being so positive, David.
Well, We finally finished talking to the staff. That took 2 whole hours.
I know. My feet really hurt from standing in that line for so long.
The good news is they put us on a new flight for tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
Tomorrow morning? So we definitely have to stay in London tonight.
Yes, we do. We need to find a hotel nearby as soon as possible.
Did the airline offer to pay for a hotel room for us?
No, they said the cancellation was because of the weather, so it's not their responsibility.
That doesn't feel very fair, but okay, let's look for a room on our phones.
I already tried, Anna. Every hotel near the airport is completely full.
What? Every single one?
Yes, I think everyone from our flight had the same idea. The situation just keeps getting worse.
Oh no, if there are no hotels, what are we going to do?
I think we have to stay here at the airport tonight, Anna.
Sleep at the airport? Is that even safe to do?
Yes, it should be fine. The airport is open all night, and there are security guards everywhere.
I've never slept in an airport before. I don't think I can sleep well on a bench.
I know it's not perfect, Anna, but we don't have many options. It is just for one night.
You're right, David. We don't have a choice. Let's look for a quiet area to rest.
That is a good idea. Let's also get some food and some water first.
Yes, and maybe we can find a blanket if there is a shop still open.
That's a great thought. Let's look around and see what we can find.
Look, David, there are so many other people sleeping here tonight too.
Yes, it seems we are not the only ones with a canceled flight.
Honestly, that makes me feel a little bit better. We aren't alone in this.
I agree. Excuse me, were you both supposed to be on the flight to Tokyo?
Yes, unfortunately. It was canceled because of the heavy snow.
Us too. It looks like all the flights to Japan were stopped today.
That's right. We tried to find a hotel room, but everything was fully booked.
We had the same problem. Have you ever stayed overnight in an airport before?
Just once. It's not very comfortable, but you'll be okay for one night.
Do you have any advice for us?
Yes, try to find a spot away from the gates where it is quieter and keep your bags close.
That is very helpful advice. Thank you so much for the tip. Those people were very kind. I feel much better knowing we aren't the only ones.
Me too, David. Their advice was actually quite helpful. Let's find our own spot now.
How about that corner over there? It looks much quieter and a bit darker.
Yes, that looks like a good place. Let's head over there before someone else takes it.
Here, Anna, you can use my navy jacket as a pillow for your head.
Are you sure, David? What will you use to stay warm?
Don't worry about me. I'll use my backpack as a pillow. It's perfectly fine.
Thank you. You are being very kind to me tonight.
It's no problem at all. We need to take care of each other.
You're right. I hope tomorrow is a much better day for us.
I'm sure it will be. Good night, Anna. Sleep as well as you can.
David, wake up. I just heard an announcement on the speaker.
What? What time is it, Anna?
It's 6:30 in the morning. The voice said that flights are finally starting to move again.
Really? That is wonderful news. Let me check the screen for our flight right now.
I'll start packing our things and folding the jackets.
Anna, look. Our flight is on time. It says boarding begins at 8:30 a.m.
Oh, I am so relieved. We can finally go home today.
Me too. I was worried we might be stuck here for another whole day.
How did you sleep last night on the floor?
Not very well. The floor was very hard and quite noisy, but I did sleep a little bit.
Oh, my back hurts a lot, and I am very tired, but I'm just so happy we can leave.
Since we have 2 hours before we board, should we find some breakfast?
That sounds like a wonderful idea. I am actually very hungry now.
Look, there's a small cafe over there. Let's get some food and a hot drink.
Perfect. I really need a large coffee. I'm still feeling very sleepy.
Me too. You know, even though yesterday was quite difficult, I'm glad we were together.
What do you mean by that, David?
Well, sleeping at an airport is a very unique experience. Most people never do that.
That's true. It was hard, but it is certainly a memory we won't forget.
Exactly. Now we have a very interesting story to tell our friends when we get home.
They probably won't believe we actually slept on the airport floor in London.
Probably not, but let's agree to check the weather forecast more carefully next time.
That is a very smart plan. Now, let's go get that breakfast.
And that is the end of today's story. Even though David and Anna had a very long night, they made it home safely. Now, let's look at the question from the beginning one more time. Why was Mina and Sam's flight canceled? If you heard the answer, please type it in the comments in English. Practice is the best way to make your English better every single day. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned some helpful new words. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to support me more, you can click the join button to become a member. Thank you so much for watching and for practicing your English with me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!